right, to just give you another example of what I was just telling you about, the transformations, translation, rotation, reflection. All right, so you can see the first one on the left is the translation one, and translation would mean that this guy would just move this way or that way. He would slide, okay? So we can just say slide this way or that way. In rotation, you can see I have my little guy with the guitar turning. That's what rotation means, to turn. And for the reflection, it means to flip. You can kind of see how this guy has kind of turned and flipped around to face the other direction. So reflection means flip, rotation means turn, and translation means side to side.